rain, so we've got our slick tyres on. Oh, and we're coming into the straight. Oh, he's driving one-handed. That is not sensible. Don't recommend it. It's against the highway code. Oh, and he's trying to catch up, but it doesn't look like he can because there's no overtaking spots. The guy in front is all over the place. As the lens gets really wet, stand by. There we go. Like how I did that? Of course you do. Zebra crossing, anyone need to cross? No, they do not. That is good. Oh look, we're going through a puddle at high speed. Good God almighty. Good God almighty. What an insane driver. Let's go to the Rocket Cafe. Oh, there's leaves on the track, which can make it incredibly slick. Oh, and it seems like there's a pile up. Is there a pile up? No, he's accelerating. Oh look, he's going to overtake on the outside. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it says we're going to go downhill. Oh, bit of spin and skid from the tyres there as we go over the 220 bridge. Don't know what that means, but we're going over it. We're struggling to go up the hill, and we're coming up to another puddle. Hopefully I will not spin out, and it's good. Oh yes, look, he's taking it. Beautiful. I'm going to the Paysage Campagnard, and it's 180. Oh look at that, look at that. Oh, he's taking the beautiful inside line there. Beautiful. And then he's whipping into this left-hand turn. Lewis Hamilton ain't got nothing on this guy. Max Verstappen probably would beat him though, because Max Verstappen is the world champion. As we have to peel off the visor again. Oh look, he's going down the hill. Oh, down the helix of doom. The helix of Autopia doom, and he is picking up some serious speed.